Hey foodie friends, are you as into those Trader Joe's Thai vegetable gyozas as I am? I just love making them up for a really easy work from home lunch. And so today I'm going to take you in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to cook frozen gyozas from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to give you all of the cooking instructions so you can confidently pull it off in your own kitchen. Let's get in my kitchen and get to it. So to start cooking the frozen vegetable gyozas, you need to heat a small or medium-sized pan on the stove to medium-high. Then you add olive oil, and once the oil is hot, add the Trader Joe's Thai vegetable gyoza. My preference is to add the frozen gyoza to the pan with the flat side down, and I saute that for about a minute until the gyoza dough is golden brown. And then it's time to flip dumplings with tongs to brown the other two sides for a couple minutes. And then if you're ready to go, you just go ahead and turn the burner down to medium low or low and add water and cover to allow the gyoza to simmer and steam. And after a couple minutes, almost all of the water will have evaporated. It's time to remove the lid and allow the rest of the water to evaporate. Then it's time to enjoy, so get those gyozas out of the hot pan, add some delicious teriyaki sauce to a bowl, and serve with cooked gyoza. And I like to top mine with green onion. It's so delicious. Doesn't this look so good? My teriyaki sauce recommendation for this is to use some Trader Joe's Soyaki teriyaki. It's a really delicious dipping sauce, and I love it because the sesame seeds in the teriyaki sauce are the perfect touch. One bottle of this Trader Joe's teriyaki sauce lasts quite a few bags of frozen gyoza and Trader Joe's mini pot stickers. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Do you want a delicious recipe for using frozen riced cauliflower? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tasty vegetable stir fry with cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's. I'm going to show you how to use it in a different way and use just vegetable broth to make this delicious lunch dish. So here is the gist of making this recipe. First, you're going to pan fry the main vegetables for the stir fry in some olive oil, right in a wok or a large frying pan. And then you add Trader Joe's rice cauliflower stir fry and some frozen corn. And then you add vegetable broth to the cauliflower rice stir fry. It adds so much flavor. And then you just add the fresh chopped kale to the cauliflower rice stir fry and mix it all together. When it simmers and is done and all the liquid is out, then it's time to enjoy. Grab the free recipe for this at sipbitego.com or subscribe to the Sipbitego channel on YouTube so you never miss one of my delicious meals. I have so many great recipes heading your way. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers! Well, I hope you're thoroughly inspired to get to eating some delicious lunch or dinner like me. I love Trader Joe's recipes and easy make-at-home meals. For more delicious things, you know where to find me here on the Sipbitego channel on YouTube. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!